What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana to your Phantom wallet. So first thing we need to do, we need to open Phantom wallet. And if you don't have Phantom wallet installed on your computer, I already made video about how to set up and how to use step by step. I'll leave link in the description below. So once you have your Phantom wallet pulled up, so right here, first thing we need to do, we need to copy our Phantom address to clipboard. So basically just hover over and press on it, and it's going to copy to the clipboard. So then we need to go to the exchange where we're going to be sending Solana from. So if you are using KuCoin in your main wallet, you'll have to choose Solana. Let's say, for example, if I would have Solana in my KuCoin, then in here, I would have to press on withdraw. And then once you press on withdraw, this window would appear. So make sure Solana is set. This is where we'll paste our Solana address. And then for network, you have to choose Solana, and minimum withdraw is 0.2, so it's 20% of Solana, and fee is 1%. So if you would have Solana, that's what you would have to do, and then you'll have to press on confirm, and then probably another window is gonna appear, and then you'll have to confirm, and KuCoin would send Solana to your Phantom address. But for this video tutorial, I'm going to be sending Solana from Coinbase. Once you log into your Coinbase, so to purchase Solana, you'll just have to press on buy or sell, and then choose payment method, your bank account, and then how much you would like to purchase, either in dollars or you can change it to Solanas. And then once you have your Solana purchased, then to send, we'll have to press on send and receive button right here. This window would appear in here. That's what we're going to do. We'll be sending Solana. And then that's where we're gonna paste our Solana address. And then at the bottom, it's gonna show our Solana balance. So on Coinbase, minimum is only 5%. But for this video tutorial, I'm gonna send it all at $6.87. And then I'm gonna verify one more time, make sure that's the correct address. T6KZ, TMDZ, that's it. And then you press on continue here. And Solana is very fast network, so it's gonna take less than a minute, and network fee is 0.000005. So it's fraction of a penny. And then press on send now. Now we have to confirm with the two-step verification code. And then press on confirm. And that's it. Solana is sent, and this transaction usually takes a few seconds, and then you can press on done. And then if we go back to our Phantom wallet, you can see that Solana already appeared in my wallet. It took less than 10 seconds. It's fast and cheap. And we have now Solana deposited into our Phantom wallet, and we can use it to purchase NFTs or to swap or to do anything that we're trying to do on Solana blockchain. And keep in mind, if you are going to be purchasing some kind of tokens on Solana network or NFTs or anything like that, you have to have Solana in your wallet, because that's what you're going to use to pay for gas fees on Solana blockchain. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.